everyone, this is Cat Staggs and Katie Cook, and you know them both because their shirts are on heruniverse.com. Cat did the I Know Han and Leia v-neck, and Katie did the Daddy's Little Girl shirt in purple, and they are hugely successful. Everybody is buying them. We're here at Celebration 5, so you girls want to talk about what, the design process with the shirts?
Really the design process, when Ashley told me the idea for a Daddy's Little Girl shirt, I kind of wanted, Vader and Leia, because those are two characters, but Leia looking what she is. She's very strong and she's kind of spooky, and that's what I wanted to showcase in the shirt.
And Katie, so many girls are loving, and guys are loving your art, so where can they go to find more?
They can find me at katiecandraw.com.
All right, and Gronk, you have a new webcomic, right?
I do. I have a weekly all-ages webcomic called Gronk that is free to read on the internet on gronkcomic.com, or there's a link on my main site. And I'm also working on the Star Wars webcomic for Season 3, and I do stuff for Marvel and DC and lots of other stuff.
Awesome. Awesome. And what about you, Kat?
I did the Han and Leia nice romantic kiss moment right before he's frozen and taken away. So I wanted it to be a little romantic and a little subtle and not so much in your face, and I think the sketch layout worked really well for that.
Yes, and unfortunately we had to redo it a couple times, but I told Kat it would be worth the wait because it's definitely a very popular shirt.
Thank you.
And where can everybody who loves your work, where can they go to find more?
My website is catstaggs.com, and currently working on the next Topps card set. Was it Galaxy 6? No, Clone Wars Bounty Hunters, and then Galaxy 6. And then something in the works with Acme.
Very cool. All right, well, stay tuned and definitely look for more designs from these two gals on heruniverse.com. All right, thank you.